gonna show you in this video a very awesome website I found, prompts.chat. And if you want to use ChatGPT to improve your English, your spelling correction, just overall your English, help you with translation, you can use ChatGPT and write like this. I want you to act as an English translator, as English translator, spelling corrector, and improver. I'll speak to you in any language, and you'll detect the language, translate it to me, and then, uh, you know, just correct and improve version of the text in English. I want you to reprise my lingual level words. So just copy the text. Very, very easy. Copy the text here, and now here, write in what language you want. I'm gonna use English. How are you doing? Now, how are you faring? It's gonna just give you different versions of that text or improved version of that text. Also, another way I like to ask GTP to write me like improve this text and then I'll just paste the text here, improve this text, and I can put this here at the text and like this. And you also have this here. I'll leave the link. Maybe you want to look for more of this website. And yeah, make sure you always ask ChatGPT to act in a certain way, so it will act accordingly, and then it will just help you to converse with ChatGPT, so you can help you with English and improving. You can also spot mistakes in this text. You can also write this prompt or rewrite this text with in a more fluent, happy, funny way, and or tell me correct mistakes in this text. You can also write this prompt. Another website I found for you. This is awesome. This website as well, because just provided us with 30 best ChatGPT prompts for English learning. Like for instance, this one is just 5 synonyms for "we're happy." What's a good way to remember the difference between affect and effect? Affect and effect. A useful mnemonic to remember the difference between effect is to remember that effect is a verb meaning to influence and produce change in something. Affect. That's awesome. A lot of great prompts. So I'll leave the links in the description of this video. I really hope you found this short tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching and take care.